LTRY stock analysis and LTRY stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade, because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Well, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point. So, you know, no sweat. Like, there's really no forcing involved. Like, I'm not going to like look at the thing and just feel FOMO. I could feel FOMO for sure, but am I going to act upon that? You know, that's a lesson that I've learned, or it's taken me so much time. But you just have to focus on the inputs, man. Like, you can feel however, you can feel shitty, right? And still not get involved just because of FOMO. I mean, currently for me, I'm just waiting for a correction and a confirmation met, meaning that I'm following my edge. And if the rules of my edge are not met, I'm not moving forward, which is in this case, last step of the getting inside the trade game. And then there's getting inside the trade game. There's managing the trade game, which is far more rewarding. So I'm keeping you updated. And if you want to, there is previous receipts in the Discord about this, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.